At around past 3 or 4 p.m., two government vehicles with red plates entered the DepEd compound, and then Colonel Nolasco told me, ayan na, ayan na. Colonel Achica appeared with a lady who I later learned to be Special Disbursement Officer Gina Acosta. 4 large dark bags were unloaded from the vehicles. Colonel Nolasco told me that each bag contained around 30 million pesos to 35 million pesos. The 2 large dark bags were placed in the Toyota Grandia, and 1 large dark bag and 1 lighter colored bag were placed in my blue FJ Cruiser. The bags loaded to the Toyota Grandia were to be delivered separately to San Pablo, Laguna, and Nomu, Bashu, Tomas Morato, Quezon City on the same day. The remaining bags, initially loaded to my blue FJ Cruiser, were immediately transferred to the red Mazda sedan prior to our departure from the DepEd compound, and were to be delivered to the Ombudsman parking lot the following day. Before leaving DepEd Central Office, Colonel Nolasco told me to get my share from the said bags, and he and Colonel Achica have already taken theirs. Hence, I took 1 million pesos for myself. We, Blue Toyota FJ Cruiser and Toyota Grandia, left DepEd Central Office past 5 p.m. As we approached Laguna, I called the contact number provided by Sarah, informing the designated recipient that we are on our way. I was directed to proceed to Cabuyao, Laguna instead. We arrived in Cabuyao, Laguna past 8 p.m. and were then instructed to proceed to an area inside the industrial park to meet individuals who were designated to receive the first bag for a politician in Laguna. Upon arrival, I immediately saw 3 persons standing in wait beside the dark sports utility vehicle. One of them proceeded to the Toyota Grandia and took one of the bags. We immediately left after the delivery of the first bag. We arrived at Nomu Basho around 12 midnight. I went inside the establishment with Arman, who was carrying the second bag. I immediately saw Attorney Monsayak, who was at the same time, at the time, in the middle of the place together with a woman and several men. I saw a man who came out of the room and received the bag from Arman. After that, we proceeded to exit the premises, and as I was passing near table of Attorney Monsayak, I looked at him and he nodded. At around 8 a.m. the same day, the team met in my residence at Cainta Rizal before we traveled to the last location, OMB parking area. This time, however, we only used my blue Toyota FJ Cruiser and the red Mazda sedan, where the remaining 2 bags were previously placed. When we arrived, the guard gave a signal directing us to park in a specific area in the Ombudsman parking lot. We proceeded to the specific area and parked red Mazda sedan, where the remaining 2 bags of money were placed. We left the keys on top of the left front of the wheel, which is our usual practice when delivering large amounts of money. A few years later, I read from several media reports that 125 million OBP confidential funds in 2022 were reportedly utilized in just 11 days. This is wrong because I personally disposed the money in less than 24 hours.